That is Crossroads Today.
Hello, and thank you for joining us for Community Crossroads. I'm Carolina Astrain. On this week's show, we hear from Victoria College, Pam Health, the Texas Zoo, and we take in a studio performance by Dream Stereo. First up, we hear from Victoria College. Welcome to Community Crossroads, Marisol Johnson.
Thank you.
So Marisol, we've had you on the show before talking about the Academy of Lifelong Learning, and that's precisely why you're back.
It is, once again.
So talk to us about what's on tap for this semester. What kind of classes can we look forward to?
We have so many of the great things that you've come to expect from us. Games. This year we are adding in Hand and Foot, which is a canasta game variant. So that's new to expect. But we still have our originals: pickleball, mahjong, bunko, dominoes. What else? We have partnerships with like the Victoria Public Library doing book clubs, and with the Texas AgriLife Extension Office offering like nutrition and cooking classes. We have great offerings from some other Victoria College professors and staff actually. We have a lot of collaborations with them. Just a lot to look forward to.
Wow, I love that there are so many different classes that are kind of geared towards social engagement, because that's kind of what a lot of these students are looking for. They're non-traditional students, perhaps people who have already gone through their entire career and they're retired, or you could just be a young professional with some extra time on your hands.
Absolutely, yes. We are predominantly, a group of retirees. Our average member age is like about 72 or so, but I was just talking with a potential member the other day, and she said, "I don't think this is for me. I'm only 30. I said, "I'm 30 and I love it." Don't let that, scare you away at all. No, you can be any age and love it. I certainly do.
And if you have a certain area of expertise, you can even volunteer to become an instructor.
Yeah, I teach a couple of classes each schedule now, and a lot of our members also teach a class or two.
That's going to be so empowering to stand in front of a group of people and
to
speak with authority.
And it's great because they are choosing to be there. That's the main selling point to me that I always share with people, is that they don't have to be there. They're making the choice. So it's a great room to be in.
Well, let's talk about that open house that's coming up, because it's not a firm commitment that you're making when you go to the open house, but you can just kind of check it out, right?
Yeah, you can come check it out, make sure it's for you. I think it will be, but you can come on January 18th at the Emerging Technology Complex. That's where our office is housed and where most of our classes are going to be held, and that's out on 7403 Lone Tree Road across from Caterpillar. We'll be there at open house 1:30 to 4, and it's come and go, but we'll have a lot of instructors there. You can come and see, talk to them, hear about what their class will be about, mix and mingle with some members. We'll have light refreshments, a door prize or two to hand out, and yeah, it's a great time, and it's a great program.
Well, we certainly do have a lot of talent here in the Crossroads, so I'm eager to see who signs up this year and what classes are to come in the future.
Me too.
Well, thank you so much, Marisol, for joining us, and I hope you'll have a great start to your new Academy of Lifelong Learning semester.
Thank you.
All right, well, don't go anywhere. Coming up, we hear from our friends from Pam Health.